Okay, so in regards to your question on the text issue that you were having with Data Merge, I think I understand what's happening with it. I just want to explain that there is two types of text in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to first do the point text, which I'm typing out here and adjusting to the middle of the artboard. So this here is point text, and there is also text that is called area text. So this new update in Adobe Illustrator has the little pop-up underneath it that you can switch between point text and area text. So I'm just going to demonstrate that here. Okay, and so whichever you choose in that, do keep an eye on that as well. This looks centered, but I will go on to show you that it's not actually centered. And so when you're using area text, you should be able to adjust the box surrounding it. And as you can see, it doesn't distort the text itself at all. I hold down Alt and drag in the sides, and it's just dragging the text around and realigning it. Whereas if I had it in point text and I grabbed and dragged down, you can see that the text itself is being distorted as I'm dragging it up and down. Which, if I switch back to area text now, you'll see that it doesn't do that. It's staying, the text is staying as in format. So that's one thing to make sure that you know which text you're using. And there is two types of align. So this one here is the object align. So you can align the text and any other objects to the center of your artboard. As you can see that I've done here. And the other one that you're looking for is paragraph. So you can find it in properties. You can also find it in the paragraph window. So I'm just using the properties here, and you can see now that the text is center aligned. So make sure you check both of these alignments. So paragraph align and object align center to board. And that will be a huge difference into whether your text itself is jumping around when you change it with the data merge. As you can see here, I just duplicated the text and I'm creating a fake initial to demonstrate that if the font itself, if the text itself is centered aligned, it will be center aligned with the text. If it is aligned with the artboard in the center, then it is aligned with the artboard. So you need both of them to be centered if you're wanting to have, for example, everything center aligned text and position. I also show you here that if you uncheck the hyphenation here, when you adjust the area text, you'll notice that all the words need to go together. If you hyphenate it and adjust it, you can see here that the centered gets hyphenated, so CEN hyphen. So again, you're using names, at least that's what I think you're doing. So this probably wouldn't come up, but if you do run into this issue, check that your hyphenate is not turned on, and that was found under the paragraph window. So uncheck that if you don't want hyphenation to occur with your data merging. Okay, well, I hope this has helped with your question. I'm sorry it was a little bit, I'm not sure exactly what was going on. I am thinking maybe I should create a Discord channel so that I can, chat, and you could send through like a screen recording of what the issue is if this doesn't help. Let me know in the comments if you would like that, or let me know if this actually helped. Thank you for the question.